Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. So let's go to start. Open up TikTok, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here you can see I have eye icon. So to fix it, first step you should go to your Google Play or App Store and find TikTok application. Just go to your search bar, enter TikTok, find TikTok application, and make sure that you have last version about TikTok application. So next step, open up your TikTok app, then go to your profile, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on privacy and make sure that you have public account, not private. This means if you here see the toggle is on private account, we just swipe the slider to the left side to disable private account. So next step, on privacy again, scroll down in very bottom and you will see profile viewers. Just tap on it, and here you should enable this option, profile viewers history. Swipe the slider to the right side and enable profile viewers. If it not help you, you just delete TikTok app and then reinstall TikTok application. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.